Hi guys, I will show you in this video how you cutting this blade with plasma portable CNC cutting. And the first time I want the plate with this dimension, and I want to cutting this plate of this main plate as a material, and must adjusting cutting parameters according to this table that related to this torch. So after adjusting, I cutting this plate according to this drawing and this dimension. My thickness of plate is 5 millimeter, so I must adjust parameter current to 90 ampere. Pressure gas is half. Time for pierce time is this. Distance between torch and workspace. Nozzle diameter in torch. Voltage and the cutting speed, that adjusting with this X, and after that cutting speed adjusting to this number, and after that pushing enter. So before I cutting this blade, I must examination this cutting is correct or not correct. So I must running this blade, this cutting in the demo mode. Start, enter. So I see this cutting is good for me and is according to this drawing number.